Hey, what's going on everybody? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. So in this video, guys, I just want to go over, is it smart to start an affiliate marketing business today, especially with the quarantine and the stock market crashing and a lot of fear out there? Is it a good idea to start an online business, especially affiliate marketing right now? I'm going to go into that, guys. It's going to be a little different than what I usually do. Usually I go more into the tactics, but today I want to talk about more mindset and just kind of like address what's going on right now. So anyways, guys, if you want to subscribe to the channel, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll be coming out with videos almost every single day about affiliate marketing, start an online business, stuff like that. But first of all, guys, is it a good idea to start a business today? I mean, you know, everything's just crashing right now, right? You see the stock market going down. People are fearful. People are losing their jobs. And it's honestly, it's sad to see, right? Obviously, like it's a crappy situation. But you got to understand, a lot of businesses are failing right now because they're not marketing online. They're doing it the old way. They're doing it, you know, they're still doing like, you know, mailing. They're still doing, you know, the old school marketing, right? Instead of switching to the online space, right? Whether it's a digital course, whether you're doing affiliate marketing, it doesn't really matter. But what I'm saying is businesses, you see that they're failing because they don't have any way to put their business online. So going forward, 2020 and just moving forward, I believe there's going to be a huge shift in our economy and the way we do business. And obviously it's already changed up to this point, but it's going to change even more, you know, now that even people are working from home. And, you know, people are going to want to work from home and almost expect that, right? And, you know, if you're still working at a 9-to-5 job, then, you know, most people are going to be expecting that, right? But as far as affiliate marketing and starting an online business, guys, this is the perfect time to start. And I'll tell you why, because people are looking more than ever to start an online business. They know that it's almost like detrimental to not have some sort of business or some sort of passive income coming in. So they have to look to the online space, right? Whether it's, you know, affiliate marketing or having your own course or anything like that. Now, I will say, I know a lot of people are into drop shipping, FBA, eBay, stuff like that. Right now, I would not do that right now just because, you know, crazy stuff is going on in China and, you know, it's hard to get stuff drop shipped. And actually, I started in drop shipping. That's when I first started 2017. I started doing drop shipping. I did Amazon FBA. I did eBay drop shipping. I did all that stuff. I hated it. I made money, but I just didn't like it, guys. But as far as affiliate marketing, like that's the best business you can get started with. And I'll just tell you why, right? Because you're literally making money off a business that's already proven to make money, right? And all you're doing is promoting that product, okay? It's really, really simple, but it's not easy. It's not easy because you have to build your own brand. You have to build your own email list. You have to do things the right way. A lot of people look at affiliate marketing and they're like, oh, I'm going to make money overnight. I'm going to start making this, you know, crazy income, right? You know, that's me. When I first started, I'm like, oh, I'm going to make all this money right away. And, you know, right away I was like, okay, definitely not going to make money overnight. But I switched my mindset to like, okay, I need to do things the right way, right? So most people, they try these like business in a box type things and they lose money and it doesn't work and they stop doing it, right? I'm going to tell you the thing that has helped me quit my full-time 9-to-5 job. I was able to leave my electrical engineering job, but I did things the right way, okay? So what I did, guys, is I started building a brand in a business, right? Whether it's YouTube or blogging or a Facebook group, you got to pick one platform, right? And with that one platform, you want to give as much value as you can, and whatever your niche is, right? So for me, is make money online, but you can do health, you can do wealth, you can do pretty much anything with affiliate marketing, travel, credit card. Basically, what you do is you pick your topic and niche, and then you create content around that, okay? And the main goal is to build a brand, to build an audience, so you can build your authority, okay? And once you build that up, then you can promote any products you want, right, within that niche. And it becomes really powerful at this point because you have your own email list, you have your own brand, you have your own authority, and from there you can promote any product you actually want, right? But the thing is, people say it doesn't work. People say that they've started YouTube, not getting any views, they're not getting any subscribers, and yeah, that's gonna happen because when you first start out, you don't get any traction or views because you haven't proven yourself, you haven't put enough content out there. So, I mean, if you look at when I first started, I would literally put out like a video every single day, and I still do that now to this day because I'm trying to get to the next level myself, and I'm always working, I'm always hustling to get to that next level. Now I can stop working and I'm still making passive income, but for me, I want to be able to get to that 7-figure mark and and continue on, right? Help more people, help other people leave their 9-to-5 job, help other people make passive income and start online business. Because at the end of the day, that's what I find is my passion, is helping others make money online and helping others leave their 9-to-5 job and helping others, build their business and brand. That's my calling. And that's, it took a while for me to understand, why I'm making YouTube videos, why I'm doing this. It really takes a while to find your voice. I will tell you that right now. A lot of, even the one-on-one students that I'm mentoring right now, they still haven't found their voice yet. And I'm telling them, like, you just have to publish, and you will eventually find out who your target audience is and how to speak to them, right? How to tell your story. A lot of you guys know my story, right? I started out as an electrical engineer. I went to school for 5 years. I worked a 9-to-5 job. I made really good money, guys, but I hated it. I hated it so much, and I was not fulfilled. I was not happy, and I set out to make a change, right? So my change was, I basically started in May 2019, and I worked so hard. Like, I would basically get up at 3:30 in the morning, make YouTube videos. I would learn. Obviously, I didn't know what I was doing at the time. So I would take my courses, I would make YouTube videos from 3:30 a.m. to 7 a.m. And from there, I pretty much did that every single day, almost every single day until March 2020. Then that's when I officially quit my 9-to-5 job. Now, did that fairly quickly, about 9-10 months it took me to quit my job. But you gotta understand, I put in so much work. I mean, if you look at my old YouTube videos, guys, my eyes were like black because I had no sleep. And I had just had a newborn daughter that was born in August. I was not sleeping, but I had a higher calling, and I couldn't do the 9-to-5 job anymore. I don't care what I had to do, whether it was lose sleep or get up early, or I did what I had to do. Obviously, my family was number one, right? So I still hung out with them, but that's why I got up earlier, so I can still do what I wanted to do, right? Which is create content to start my online business, to leave my job that I hated. So a lot of people say, well, I don't have time, I don't have money, I don't have blah, 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 blah. I see a lot of people in my Facebook group, they're always lurking, they're always commenting, but they don't do anything. They literally they're watching, but they don't do anything because, you're scared, or you don't know how to take action, or, you're fearful of, what if I do this and I can't, I won't succeed. Yeah, that's a real thing. Trust me, for me, I was so scared that I was not going to make it. But, the thing is, you have to really make a mind shift and say, I'm going to do this no matter what. And I'm going to enjoy the process, right? If you like what you're doing, just enjoy the process, and you're going to get to where you want to be, whether it's 9 months like me, whether it's 5 months, or it's 5 years. As long as you're enjoying what you're doing, you're going to get there. But most people never start. And if you're not starting right now, then guys, I don't know what to tell you. Like, you're home right now, you're quarantined, people are online, they're looking for an opportunity. They need you to step up. And a lot of people will also say, well, if I start a YouTube channel, they're not going to listen to me, they don't care, I'm a newbie, blah, 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 right? There's always an excuse. But you got to understand, you got to document the journey. So for example, when I first started, I had the same mentality. I'm going to start, but I have no results, I have no following. Why would someone follow me? Well, as I started getting results, I started documenting those results. Whether it was $1 commission or like my first subscriber, I started documenting that, okay? And as I went through, I just kept documenting. And that's literally what I'm doing now. Everything I've ever done, I literally I'm transparent with you guys, because I want you guys to follow me on my journey, to my first 6-7 figure, 2-comma award, whatever it is, whatever I'm trying to get to, right? That's kind of what I'm trying to get to this year. But I'm taking you guys through my journey. And that's the most powerful thing, is your story, your journey. As you document that when you first get started, I promise you, you're going to get results. You're going to get subscribers. You're going to get people to follow you and resonate with your story, because it's you, right? A lot of people won't resonate with me, right? A lot of people watch my videos and they don't click with me, and that's fine. I'm totally okay with that, because at the end of the day, I'm going to resonate with a lot of people, but I'm also not going to resonate with some people as well, right? And that you got to realize that you got to find your voice, and that's just by publishing, practicing, getting better at what you do. And as you document the journey, as you start, then it's really going to help you figure out how to talk to your audience and how to relate your stories to them. And that's just with practice, guys. And as you publish your first YouTube videos, as you make your first landing pages, whatever it is, right, you're going to learn along the way. The technical part always kind of gets people, that's always like, okay, well, I don't know how to do this because I don't know how to create a page. I don't know how to do an email, blah, 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 right? You learn as you go, okay? If you look at my YouTube channel, a lot of it is tactic-based, how to do email marketing, how to set up landing pages. Go through my old videos. I literally walk through step by step. and I show you how to do everything. So I give you everything you need. I give you how to start a YouTube channel. I give you how to rank a video. I give you how to do a landing page. I give you everything you need. I'm literally trying to give you everything to help you in your business. But I see a lot of you guys you're not taking action, and really want to push you guys to do that, especially now. Now's the perfect time. This is going to be a huge shift in our economy and the way we do business. So if you guys can make that shift and be ready for that floods of traffic, floods of people coming in, you're going to be ready for that, okay? And I just really wanted to push you guys into that. So I know this video is a little different, but I really just want to kind of help you think, get into the right mindset and let you guys know I had those same fears and beliefs as well when I first started. Like, I was so scared that I was not gonna make it. I thought, I'm making these videos, no one's watching them, no one's gonna subscribe. Like, I had those same fears, trust me. Like, it sucks. It sucks really bad. And even as you go through, like, and you're in 3 months and you still like don't have views, subscribers, it happens, right? And you just got to keep going. If you really truly love what you're doing, you're going to continue doing it. And I just really kind of want to encourage you guys to start. If you haven't, if you've already started, keep developing yourself. Always invest in yourself. That's one thing I did, was I always invested into myself because I always wanted to learn more. I always wanted to know how to get to that next level. So anyways, guys, I hope this video helps. If you do want to start affiliate marketing, guys, I recommend a product that's going to walk you through your first business and how to get set up, as a complete beginner. It's going to be the first link in the description below. Click that link, go through the challenge. It's a 15-day challenge. It's going to help you get started, stuff like that, guys. And I hope this video helps. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and I'm excited to see if you guys are going to take action. Let me know if you're going to take action in this video, guys. Let me know if you're just starting out, if you're 5 months in, 2 years in, 10 years in. Let me know where you're at in your journey, and we'll go from there. Have a good day, guys.